pheasant, I'd rather have grouse. If you put me in a house, I would much prefer a flat. If you put me in a flat, then I'd rather have a house. If you set me on a mouse, then I only want a rat. If you set me on a rat, then I'd rather chase a mouse. Sit.
Tum-tum-tum-tiger is a curious cat.
And there isn't any need for me to shout it.
For he will do as he do.
And there's no doing anything about it.
The rum-tum-tugger is a terrible bore.
Oh, when you let me in, then I want to go out. I'm always on the wrong side of every door. As soon as I'm at home, then I like to get about. I like to lie in the bureau drawer, but I make such a fuss if I can't get out.
The rum-tum-tugger is a curious cat.
And there isn't any need for you to doubt it.
For he will do as he do.
And there's no doing anything about it.
The rum-tum-tugger is a curious beast.
My disobliging ways are a matter of a habit. If you offer me fish, then I always want to feast. When there isn't any fish, then I won't eat rabbit. If you offer me cream, then I sniff and sniff. For I only like what I find for myself. No. So you catch me in it right up to my ears if you put it away on a lot of